So hi guys, welcome back to my channel Manisha Mandal, and today I am going to tell you how to make grilled pineapple in IFB microwave oven. So let's start the video. But before starting the video, I am going to tell you please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. Okay? So today I am going to tell you barbecue nation style grilled pineapple recipe in IFB microwave. So let's start. First, I will take. So next, the ingredients are lemon juice, salt, salt as per taste, black pepper, Kashmiri mirch powder, and chaat masala, which is already given, and some honey to give it a tangy flavor. As you can see, double honey. So let's start the recipe. So first I will add Kashmiri mirch powder. Then I will add salt and black pepper powder. Then I will add lemon juice. And some more lemon juice. And we have to mix it, the ingredients. So then we mix the ingredients properly. So I have mixed all the ingredients in place. Now I am going to take them in the skewers. But at first keep it in its position for 10 minutes. Then we will add some honey to give it a tangy flavor. Then I have taken this metal skewers. Then I have taken this metal skewers. Then so then we will pierce through the pineapples.
Capsicum dibi na?
No.
How many pieces there are total?
There are many pieces.
No, equally divided by 3.
No. Don't talk with me. Then I will keep it in the grill rack. Take another skewer. Sorry.
আঙুলের ফাঁকে রাখ লাগবে না হলে আঙুলের ফাঁকে যেন ঢুকে যায় এটা আঙুলের না লাগে দেখিস একটু চাট মশলা দিয়ে দে।
Now I'm going to put this rack inside the microwave. Now, as you can see, keep it properly. Then close the oven door. Then you have to select the grill mode. Press it once, it takes completely grill mode, and set the time for 15 minutes and press the start button. Then our pineapples are being cooked. So let's see what happens. So after 7 minutes 30 seconds, বের করো ন্যাগড়ার দরকার নেই, ভালো ঠিক আছে একেবারে। আরে আমাকে বের করে উল্টে পড়ে যাবে।
তুই করলি না কেন? আমি ভালো জানিস তুই করতে পারছিস।
একেবারে পর জল। ওই তো তেল রিফাইন।
এটা
হ্যাঁ
এটা
হ্যাঁ কোবরা।
সাদা তেল
সরষে তেল না দাদা
Then
সাদা তেল এই তেলটা দিয়ে দিস
Then I will press some soya oil on the pineapples. After brushing it, put it inside the microwave. Okay? Then begin the next of the process. Then again put it inside the microwave.
পড়ে যাচ্ছে
উল্টে পড়ে যাচ্ছে তো আমি কি করব? Okay. Okay. So then we will close the oven door and begin the next of the processes.
পাখাটা জ্বালা না কি অসুবিধা হচ্ছে
As you can see, 3 minutes has passed, and then after the exact time of that, I will start the video. Process completed. Take it outside. পারছো? Let's take them out from the microwave microwaves. Keep it. Then I will eat it and taste it. Plate it. Now I will. Nonsense.